What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana Marie and I am back with another video. As you saw by the title, we are going to be doing a try on first impressions of the April BOXYCHARM. If you're interested in seeing what I got in my personalized base box, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the first product is this K&DR Beauty highlighting palette. Open it, it looks like this. I really like the packaging. A pretty decent sized mirror, 3 highlights and then a marble highlight. So of course we're gonna use that. The next thing I got, the Earth Harbor Naturals face serum. When you open it, it looks like this. So I'm gonna wash my face and then use some of this. It smells like lavender kinda to me. Got the Eloise Beauty. This is a body glow. So it looks like this. It has a little pump. I really like how this looks. So it doesn't really have much of a scent. I'll swatch it on my arm just to show you guys. I'm not putting that on now because I'm not going anywhere. The next item is the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in the color Crush. It looks like this. And the last product is the Natasha Denona palette, and it comes with these colors. So yeah, those are the products. So let me go ahead and wash my face and then I'm gonna do my brows and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a drop here. Well, it feels kind of like oily. A lot of the serums that I use are like lightweight. They don't really feel like oily. This really feels like an actual oil. So I feel like I kind of went heavy on this. Whoa. I don't know about this. I guess my skin's glowing. Okay. Okay, so I came on here while I'm in the process of doing my eyebrows to show you guys how this is actually making my eyebrows like really difficult to do. I don't normally like set my eyebrows or anything like that because I have dry skin. If I do, I use like a gel, but normally I don't have to. I do that after the fact. But being that, you know, I put the serum on my eyebrows, you can see how it's just making it like kind of hard for me to get the product to stick. And I am using the Dip Brow Pomade, which is pretty thick. So as for the serum, definitely gonna be using this at night when I'm not wearing makeup because this. So I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more, and once I get my eyelids and everything primed, then I'll come back and we'll start with the eyeshadow palette. Okay, so now that I have my eyelids primed, my eyebrows done, I'm gonna be taking the brown color right here and just blending that. Now I'm going to be taking that lighter color at the end, kind of blending out the harsh line. I'm going to take this darker color with the same brush that I just used, and I'm going to go right here. Right here, just make that a little darker. I don't know if I want to use this color or this color. Let me swatch. I think I like this one. This one I feel like will go with the look a little bit better, but I think I'm gonna go with this. That's pretty. Okay. I think this will work. It's gonna have to work. It's gonna work. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this color for my highlight. Ooh. Definitely put too much. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can fix that a little. I think I'm just making it worse. Well, not worse, but I think I'm making it more intense. That's the word I'm looking for. Because it's definitely intense. It's doing what needs to be done for sure. I just didn't want as much. But I definitely like it. That is the color Loving that I just used. So now on to the lip liner. Yeah, it is coming off pinker than I thought it was. It's not really nude. It's pink. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Muted. I feel like if I put my lashes on, that'll pull everything together. I was wondering what was missing. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm going back into the palette with that darkest shade. And I'm just gonna try to smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, so last thing, I'm not putting this on my skin because I'm just gonna have to wipe it right off. Alongside my two swatches, I'm just gonna do a little pump. And it looks like this. It doesn't feel too thick. And it seems like it spreads pretty evenly. I think I would actually wear this like on a nice summer day. So yeah, that is the last product. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next one.